Number 20, Woodpecker Hex Scale Rule. Have you ever tried measuring something quickly, only to realize the ruler doesn't line up the way you need it to? Switching between different measuring tools can slow down your workflow. That's where the Woodpecker Hex Scale Rule comes in. Instead of a traditional flat ruler, this clever design gives you 6 different measuring scales in one compact tool. The hexagonal shape lets you measure from multiple sides instantly. Whether you're checking inches, millimeters, or finding the center of a board, everything is right there. Laser engraved markings keep measurements crisp and easy to read, while the solid aluminum construction gives it that premium workshop feel. The result is faster measurements with far fewer mistakes. Number 19, Blue Optima Chisel Plane. Detail work can be one of the most frustrating parts of woodworking. Cleaning glue lines, trimming dowels, or smoothing end grain in tight spaces isn't always easy. That's exactly the type of job the Blue Optima Chisel Plane is built for. Unlike traditional planes, this tool has a raised handle that keeps the blade perfectly flat against the surface. That means you get precise control even in small areas. The cryogenically treated steel blade stays sharp for a long time, and the rigid aluminum body keeps everything stable while you work. Instead of struggling with chisels or sanding blocks, this tool makes fine detail work smooth and controlled. Number 18, Woodpecker AutoAngle. Drilling angled holes sounds simple until the drill starts wandering and the angle ends up slightly off. The Woodpecker AutoAngle is designed to make angled drilling incredibly accurate. It features a built-in reference line and adjustable fence that help you align your drill perfectly every time. Once the angle is set, the guide keeps everything stable so the drill doesn't slip. For projects like angled joints, furniture frames, or custom builds, this tool removes the guesswork completely. And once you get used to it, angled drilling becomes surprisingly easy. Number 17, Woodpecker Indexable Mini Double Square. Every woodworker knows how important a good square is. But large combination squares can sometimes feel bulky and slow to use. The Woodpecker Indexable Mini Double Square solves that problem with a compact but extremely versatile design. It works both as a standard square and a miter square. The sliding blade locks into position with precise indexing marks, making it quick to measure exact distances. Because it's smaller and easier to handle, many woodworkers find themselves using it constantly throughout a project. And sometimes the smallest tools end up becoming the most essential. Number 16, Trend Easy Scribe. Getting a perfect fit between 2 surfaces can be frustrating, especially when working with walls, floors, or uneven edges. The Trend Easy Scribe makes that process much easier. This tool lets you trace exact contours directly onto your material. The flat pencil lead creates clean, visible lines that are easy to follow when cutting. It also features an adjustable guide that keeps the tool perfectly parallel to the surface. Whether you're fitting cabinets, trimming panels, or installing doors, the Easy Scribe helps create tight, professional-looking joints. And once you start using it, you may never go back to guessing measurements again. Number 15, Aary Angle Clamping Fixture. Clamping pieces together at a perfect 90-degree angle is already tricky. But when the angle isn't exactly 90, things get even more complicated. The Aary Angle Clamping Fixture is designed to hold 2 pieces of material securely at almost any angle. It features an adjustable mechanism with laser-engraved angle markings so you can dial in the exact position you need. Once locked in place, the clamp keeps the pieces stable while glue dries or fasteners are installed. For frames, custom furniture, or angled structures, this tool makes complicated assemblies much easier. Number 14, Sliding Bevel Gauge. Copying an angle from one piece to another is a common task in woodworking. But if the angle shifts even slightly, the result won't fit properly. The sliding bevel gauge helps capture and transfer angles with precision. The adjustable blade locks into place using a strong internal mechanism, keeping the angle fixed while you mark or cut your material. It's simple, reliable, and extremely useful for projects like stair builds, trim work, or angled joints. Sometimes the most traditional tools still play an important role in modern woodworking. Number 13, Woodpecker's Pocket Compass. Drawing perfect circles can be surprisingly difficult with standard compasses. The Woodpecker's Pocket Compass is designed specifically for woodworkers who need accurate layouts. It features precision telescoping sections that extend smoothly and lock into position with a simple twist. The laser engraved scales make it easy to set exact dimensions. Our friend in the compact design means it fits comfortably in a workshop apron. Whether you're marking arcs, circles, or decorative patterns, this tool makes layout work fast and precise. Number 12, Drill Guide. Drilling straight holes without a drill press can be tricky. Even experienced woodworkers sometimes end up with holes that lean slightly to one side. That's where a drill guide becomes incredibly useful. This tool stabilizes your drill and keeps it perfectly vertical while drilling. Adjustable depth stops also help control how deep the hole goes. It's compatible with most standard drills and works on a wide range of materials. For furniture building, dowel joints, and precise installations, it can make a huge difference in accuracy. Number 11. Bosch GOF 130 Router. Routing edges or cutting grooves requires both power and control. If the router struggles under load, the cut quality suffers. The Bosch GOF 130 router is designed to deliver consistent performance even in tough materials. Its constant speed technology keeps the blade spinning smoothly, while the durable plunge mechanism allows precise depth adjustments. The motor handles hardwood, plywood, and MDF with ease. For many woodworkers, a reliable router becomes one of the most used tools in the entire shop. Number 10. Hoto Self-Lock Tape. Measure. Taking quick measurements should be simple. But constantly locking and unlocking a tape measure can interrupt your workflow. The Hoto Self-Lock Tape measure fixes that problem with an automatic locking system. As soon as you pull the tape out, it stays in place without needing to press anything. The matte blade finish reduces glare, making measurements easier to read in bright workshop lighting. It may seem like a small improvement, but once you try it, you realize how convenient it actually is. Number 9. Milwaukee M18 Plunge Saw. Cutting large boards accurately can be difficult without the right saw. The Milwaukee M18 Plunge Saw delivers clean, straight cuts with impressive power. Its brushless motor provides strong performance, while the plunge design allows controlled entry into the material. Dust collection is also excellent, capturing most debris before it spreads across the shop. For cabinet making or sheet cutting, this saw offers both precision and portability. Number 8. DeWalt 20-volt Max XR Impact Driver. Driving screws into hardwood can sometimes strip the screw head or damage the material. The DeWalt 20-volt Max XR Impact Driver solves that with controlled torque and high efficiency. Its brushless motor improves battery life while delivering strong driving power. 3-speed settings allow better control depending on the job. And thanks to the compact design, it's easy to use even in tight spaces. Number 7. Makita 18-volt LXT Multi-Tool. Sometimes a project requires cutting, sanding, scraping, washing, and trimming all in one area. The Makita 18-volt LXT Multi-Tool is built exactly for that kind of versatility. Its oscillating blade system allows quick accessory changes so you can switch tasks easily. Variable speed control helps match the tool's performance to the material. Many woodworkers keep one nearby because it can solve problems that larger tools simply can't reach. Number 6. Dual blade circular saw. Standard circular saws work well, but sometimes materials shift or vibrate during cutting. The dual blade circular saw improves stability with 2 synchronized blades. This design reduces vibration and helps keep cuts smoother and more controlled. It also allows the tool to cut through multiple materials including wood, plastic, and light metal. With the right blade installed, it becomes a surprisingly versatile cutting tool. Number 5. Annoytools 500 watts CNC Router Machine. Modern woodworking is increasingly blending craftsmanship with digital precision. The Annoytools 500-watt CNC router machine allows you to carve detailed designs automatically. With computer control and precise motion systems, it can engrave patterns, cut shapes, or create complex joinery. The aluminum frame keeps the machine stable while working. For woodworkers interested in advanced projects, CNC tools open up an entirely new level of creativity. Number 4. Woodpecker Equal Space Divider. Evenly spacing holes or marks by hand can be time-consuming and easy to miscalculate. The Woodpecker equal space divider solves this problem with a clever mechanical design. Once you set the desired spacing, the tool automatically divides the distance into equal sections. This makes layout work extremely fast and consistent. For shelving holes, decorative patterns, or panel layouts, it helps keep everything perfectly balanced. Number 3, Thorvald 6-in-1 Master Square. Whilst carrying multiple measuring tools can clutter your workspace, the Thorvald 6-in-1 Master Square combines several tools into one compact device. It works as a square, protractor, marking gauge, ruler, drill guide, and wrench. Made from durable aluminum, it's strong but lightweight enough to keep nearby at all times. For woodworkers who value efficiency, this kind of multifunction tool can simplify many tasks. Number 2, Dowel Jig. Whilst building strong furniture joints requires precise drilling and alignment, the Dowel Jig helps create extremely strong cross-dowel connections used in furniture frames. It guides the drill so intersecting holes line up perfectly. Once the dowel is installed, the joint becomes both strong and removable. This makes it ideal for furniture that needs to be assembled and disassembled multiple times. Number 1, Worx NITRO 20-volt brad nail gun. Finishing work often involves driving dozens of small nails. Doing it manually can be slow and tiring. The Worx NITRO 20-volt brad nail gun makes the process incredibly fast. It can fire up to 80 brad nails per minute while maintaining consistent depth control. Tool-free jam clearing keeps work moving smoothly, and dual LED lights improve visibility in darker areas. For trim work, cabinetry, and furniture assembly, it turns a repetitive job into a quick and satisfying process. And that wraps up our list of 20 amazing woodworking tools on Amazon for 2026. From precision measuring tools to powerful cutting machines, these tools are designed to make woodworking faster, cleaner, and far more enjoyable. If any of these tools caught your attention, you'll find links to all of them in the description below. And of course, there are always new tools appearing every year that push woodworking even further. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more tool reviews and woodworking content. Thanks for watching, and happy building!